Hey guys, welcome to Java tutorial series. In this lecture, we will be studying out character functions. We use few character functions in Java programming which are basically used to check the variable, mostly character or a single digit entered. Now in this lecture, we will be studying about few character functions, basically three of them: character is letter, character is digit, and character is letter or digit. So we will move on to the first character function which we will be studying today, which is character is letter. As you can see on your screen, I have already written the basic program which include the header files. I have declared the scanner class and a variable and accepted it from the user, writing the system.out.println and taking the input using the input statement in.next caret 0. Now we will check the data entered by the user using the statement boolean b is equal to character is letter in braces the variable in which the data is stored a semicolon, and we will give the output as b. As you can see, class compiled, no syntax error. Now we will run this program. Void main string args. So now it is asking us to enter a literal. We will enter 1. The answer is false, as you already know that 1 is not a letter, it's a digit. Now we will enter a letter a. The answer is true. Moving on to the next topic for today, which is the next character function, character is digit. Similarly, like the last one, I have already typed the basic program. Now we will check the data entered by the user using boolean b is equal to character is digit braces the variable entered which is a semicolon. Now we will give the output as b, which has the answer for the data which we have checked. Semicolon. Now we will compile this class. As you can see, it's without any syntax error. Now we will run this program. It is asking us to enter a literal. We will enter the literal in this case as something like 2 true. Now we will enter a alphabet and check whether the answer is coming as false. As you can see, it is false. This means that our program is not only syntax free but also its logic is correct. So now moving on to the last topic for today, which is character is letter or digit. This checks whether the data entered by the user or which is declared in that variable is a letter or digit and gives us answer as true or false, but does not tell us which it is actually, whether it is a character or it is a digit. So character is letter or digit. And the variable which we have to check a semicolon. Now we will compile it. Now as you can see, it does not have any syntax error. We will run this program. Void main string args. We will enter a character like q. See, as you can see on your screen, the answer is true. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any sorts of doubt, you can ask me in comment section below. Thank you.